Now let's talk about Bitcoin or Bitcoin units. So one Bitcoin as of 2018 January is roughly $6,000. A month ago it was almost $20,000. So this is one Bitcoin, and you use the lowercase b when you're talking about an actual Bitcoin. You use uppercase B when you're talking about the whole system. There's two other measurements. There's the millibit, sometimes called millibitcoin, but usually just millibit. That is 1/1000th of a Bitcoin. So that would be worth $6. And then you have a Satoshi. And a Satoshi is 1/10 millionth. I mean 100 millionth. So one Bitcoin or one Bitcoin or one Bitcoin or less commonly one of these two. All these are the same. Equals 100 million Satoshi. So that's the equivalent of 1/100,000th of $6. So we're at $6, and then 100 get us to 6 cents. So it would be basically 0.006. I think that's right. Okay, so it's much less than a penny. And that's really what you need to know about Bitcoin. The thing is, Bitcoin is really not used as a unit of account. And many people expect it never will be, because most people don't think it's going to keep a stable price. And so it's not a great thing for pricing things, because its value can fluctuate a lot. So people think of it more as a digital gold, in the same way that the price of gold can fluctuate rapidly, whereas there's a centralized bank making sure that the dollar doesn't fluctuate in value too much. So because that kind of control doesn't exist, you're not very likely to see Bitcoin units actually out in the wild being used to price things.